Hey everyone, welcome to the Cyber Interview Q&A series, and in this series we will cover the actual cybersecurity interview questions and answers. Additionally, we will also explore some of the practical and scenario-based questions. So here is a deal. I have recently attended an interview, and if I remember correctly, the position was for the security analyst. And just to let you know that I have attended this interview just for fun and to keep up with what's happening in our industry. So during the interview, the interviewer asked me different questions, and I have included some of the tricky questions in my slides. So let's start off with our first question, that is, what is hash and why we use it? I know it's a simple question, but this was the first question after the introduction part. Okay, so think of a hash is like a unique fingerprint for your digital stuff, such as your file or your messages. And it is created by using a special math function or a special math process. And if you change the data even slightly, the hash value will drastically change. So it will be really helpful in detecting the alteration and modification in the data. Okay. And the hash is used to verify the integrity of the data. Obviously, we don't want any alteration and modification in our data. That is the reason we use hash. Hash functions are commonly used to store the password securely. We all know that we cannot store the password in plain text, so the system store the hash values of the password. Okay, it is also used in creating digital signatures to ensure the authenticity and integrity of the electronic documents and messages. So these are the few uses of hash. Now the second question was, does the hash value change when the content of a file is modified? And the question series continues like this. Let me just show you the questions. The next question was, if you rename a file, does the hash value change? What happened to the hash value if you modify the permission of a file? I've got asked these questions when I was giving interviews for a digital forensic role, okay? But I didn't expect the interviewer will ask me these questions for a security analyst role. So it was a bit shocker for me. So I have created a little demo for you. Okay. So we will check how the hash functions are actually work. Okay. So let me open my Kali Linux. Okay. So we will use, let me open the terminal, and we will use the MD5 sum. Okay. MD5 is a message digest algorithm 5, and it is widely used in cryptographic algorithm that produce 128 bits of hash value, and it is typically represented as a 32 uh, character hexadecimal character. So let's create a file, echo, and we'll create a secret file. Okay, India is the first country to land it on the south pole of the moon with its Chandrayaan 3 lander on 23rd August 2023. Congratulations, guys. Okay, let me hit enter, and we have created the secret file. Let me cat it. Okay, the same text, right? Now we have to generate an hash. So we will use, let me clear the screen, and we will use MD5 sum, and we'll write our file name, that is secret. So this is a 32 character hexadecimal string. Okay, now let's change the file name. Okay, so we'll use MV secret to public. Okay, this is our current file name, and I'm changing it to public. Okay, let's hit enter, and now we have this public file. Let's cat it. The same content, right? Now we have to check the hash value. So let me create another tab. Wait. Okay. Before it was secret, now it is public. Okay, we have changed the file name. So MD5 public. Let's hit enter. And as you guys can see, the when we rename a file, the hash value didn't change. The hash value didn't change. Both are same. Okay, for secret and public. So that means if we modify the file name, the hash value will not change. Okay, so we have got the answer of our first question. Now let's change the content. So let me clear the screen first, and I will write, we'll cat it first. Okay, we'll cat the public, and I want to add echo big success, and we'll use the public. Okay, public is our file. So let me hit enter, and we'll cat it, cat public. Okay, we have added this text, that is big success, right? Let's write MD5 sum public. Okay, I'm sorry. So this was the hash value earlier, and it is changed now. As you guys can see here, it is changed. So the hash value is changed. Okay, when we change the content of a file. So make sure that you guys remember it. When we change the content of a file, the hash value of the file will change. Okay, that's great. Now we have to change the permission. Okay, we have to check if we change the permission of a file, does the hash value change or not. So let me clear the screen first, and let's write ls-al for public, and it has read write permission. The owner has read write permission. Group doesn't have the write permission, and other also doesn't have write and execute permission. Okay, so what I will do, I will change the permission. Okay, first let me write the hash value, right? And now I will change the permission with the help of chmod, and will give the execute permission for the owner, and let me write the file name. Okay, the owner has the read write execute permission. Okay, let's check our hash MD5 sum public. Okay, so it doesn't change, right? Both are same. So I think we've got the answers. Okay, so does the hash value change when the content of a file is modified? That is a big yes. It changed drastically. Next, if you rename a file, does the hash value change? No, it doesn't change. We have seen that. And what happened to the hash value if you modify the permission of a file? So no, the hash value will not change. So these are the questions that I've got asked in the security analyst position. I hope you like it, guys. And if you have some other questions that you want me to cover, so please comment them below, and will definitely try my best to create videos on that topic. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. If you did, then please share this video with your friends and your colleagues who are preparing for the cybersecurity interviews, and make sure that you guys are subscribing to my YouTube channel. We'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care and keep learning. Bye bye.